Welcome to our channel. If your used game controller is experiencing stick drift where the analog stick registers movement without input, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Power off your controller and disconnect it from your console or computer. Remove any batteries if it's a wireless controller. Step 2. Visually inspect the affected analog stick for any visible debris, dust, or damage around the base where the stick meets the controller housing. Step 3. Gather your cleaning supplies, including isopropyl alcohol, 90% or higher concentration, cotton swabs, compressed air, and a small brush or toothbrush. Step 4. Use compressed air to blow around the base of the analog stick in short bursts. Hold the can upright and use the included nozzle for precision. Step 5. Gently move the analog stick in all directions while applying compressed air to help dislodge debris trapped underneath the rubber housing. Step 6. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and squeeze out excess liquid so it's damp but not dripping. Alcohol evaporates quickly and is safe for electronics. Step 7. Carefully work the dampened cotton swab around the base of the analog stick, rotating the stick as you clean to reach all sides. Clean both the stick and the housing. Step 8. For controllers with removable faceplates, consider opening the controller for deeper cleaning. Use appropriate screwdrivers and follow disassembly guides specific to your controller model. Step 9. If comfortable opening the controller, clean the potentiometers or sensor contacts beneath the analog stick with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab or soft brush. Step 10. Allow the controller to air dry completely for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Reassemble if you opened it, reinsert batteries, and test the analog stick to see if drift has been reduced or eliminated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.